Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, iQOO. In this, I'm going to do the benchmark test comparison between the iQOO Z5 versus POCO X3 Pro device. The iQOO Z5, which has got the Snapdragon 778G processor, and the POCO X3 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset. And let's see how much benchmark score we can actually expect between both of the smartphones. And I'll try to compare even the temperature readings as well, which one is increasing higher temperatures during this process of demonstration as well. So first, let me clear everything from the background application. So all the apps are completely clear from the background, and both phones are exactly 8GB RAM variants, only 8GB and 128GB models, which I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration. Let me open the benchmark test and let's check out the temperatures. 28.6 and 31.4, slightly kind of a little bit high temperatures in the POCO X3 Pro, just a little bit. So both phones, I did start the benchmark test at same time, and you'll be able to see exactly same versions. 9.2.3 only I'm trying to use between these both devices, and I'll try to monitor the temperatures as well, how it's increasing between these both phones, and which phone can actually get higher benchmark scores. That's what I'm going to compare in this video. Because the iQOO Z5, which has got the enhanced version of everything, I mean LPDDR RAM type and UFS storage, so we may expect slightly better results, but let's see how the both phones are actually doing after the recent update from the benchmark test 9.2.3. So using latest version, I'm trying to do this kind of testing side by side. So again, we'll be back after some time just to check the temperatures. So right now, as you can see friends, benchmark test percentage is about 60% and 52%. Let's check out the temperatures. 35 degrees on the POCO X3 Pro. It went up to 35.8 degrees Celsius and 32.6 degrees Celsius. That's pretty low, right? Like 3 degrees difference is there between these both phones. 3 degrees. On the back side, 32, it's maintaining very cool. So 35.6 degrees Celsius and 32.8 degrees Celsius. As you can see, it's not bad. So again, I'll be back after some time just to check what is going on with the overall temperatures. So right now, let's check out the temperatures, what is happening. 32.8 degrees Celsius at the end of the benchmark test results, and 34.6 degrees Celsius, 35.6, 35.4. So overall 3 degrees difference is there friends between these both phones regarding the temperatures wise. Again, I'll be back once the test has been completed. So finally, we got the benchmark test results friends, comparing the iQOO Z5 versus POCO X3 Pro device. As you can see clearly, the iQOO Z5 has got higher scores than the POCO X3 Pro. Wow, that's really high scores, as you can see friends. So comparing between these both phones, I'm trying to use the latest version 9.2.3. So just I downloaded. So it's quite shocking to see this kind of level of difference between these both phones. And the temperatures were really very low, like 30 degrees versus 36.2 degrees Celsius. But outside, when I measured, it was about close to 32 and 35. So that's kind of outside temperatures. But overall, this application showing temperatures. That's very good to see this kind of enhanced performance in the iQOO Z5. It's pretty close. So definitely friends, in case if you're planning to consider to buy the smartphone, and if you're confused between these two phones, maybe this might be helping you all deciding what is happening. And even the CPU scores higher in the iQOO Z5. 1,67,000 we got versus 1,42,000. And GPU is high in the POCO X3 Pro. So 1,98,000 versus 1,64,000. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And overall, the iQOO Z5 has got higher benchmark test results compared with the POCO X3 Pro device. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.